Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about an actor, an athlete, and an entrepreneur. Yes, we have all heard about him, a great player, a great sportsman, Michael Jordan. The Michael Jordan, the one of the best basketball player, one of the best actor, and a great entrepreneur. What not? Let's understand how he did what he did in this session of how he did what he did and what do we learn from, what do we get to learn from Michael Jordan. We'll be talking about those as we have been talking about other successful people. Let's understand Michael Jordan. What does he say? What does he say about hard work? There's one thing common with across all the successful people. All of them say that you have to work super hard. There's no other alternative to working hard. We spoke of Jeff Bezos, we spoke of Elon Musk, and today we are speaking of Michael Jordan, and he also says exactly the same thing. Work super hard. He used to start his day before everybody. He used to reach the field before anybody reached the field early in the morning, and he was the last one to leave the field. He always worked hard in becoming a better sportsman. He always worked hard on becoming a better player. He never gave himself an excuse. He never tried to cheat or lie or do something that he should not be doing. Because there is no alternative to hard work. You cannot have an alternative to hard work. So work super hard. Number 2, you always have to fail to succeed. Michael Jordan says that he missed over 9,000 shots. He also says that he lost more than 300 games. He also says that he missed about 26 times the game winning shot. Means people trusted him with a game winning shot and he missed 26 of them in his lifetime. He lost about 300 games and he missed about 9,000 shots in total. That is how many failures he has had. But without having failures, we cannot be successful. Failures are what makes us successful. It is the failures that gives us success. Success comes from failure. So until and unless you have failed enough number of times, you won't be successful. So make sure that you are failing enough to get successful. The bigger the success you want, the more would be the number of failures that you want. Expectations. We talk about expectations and we also know that we should not be having expectations. But here I am going to say that we should be having expectations. Not from anybody else, but from ourselves. We should have a high level of expectation from ourselves and how we deliver on those expectations. And that benchmark of expectations from ourselves should keep increasing every single day. Positivity. We should be highly positive. That's what he says about life, that we should be always be highly positive about our life. No matter how things are, how bad things are, how bad our life is, we have to be positive about our life because you do not know when things will turn around, when things would get better, and when you would be given an opportunity to become successful. But if you're not positive, you would not identify the opportunity that is there in front of you. If you are not positive, you will not even know that there is an opportunity. You will just be thinking negative, and that will not help you in any possible ways. Practice. This is something that is the God. You have to practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Well, you do not become perfect, but yes, you surely become better. And every time you practice, you become a better person than you were the last time. So with every practice, you become better. So make sure that you are practicing enough so that you become better than your competitors. You are practicing much more than your competitors are practicing. The only thing that would take you ahead of your competitors, the only thing that would take you ahead of your competition is you working more than them, is you practicing more than them, is you becoming better in the skill than them. And it is only then that you become successful. So these were a few rules of success from Michael Jordan. And these were certain things about how he did what he did. Let us talk about somebody else in the next video. Have a good day.